Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Bro, you know, some look at work still, bro, and I wonder if I can get a work over here side.
Yeah, man, just apply, man. You know until they apply them, G.
Sure.
Yeah, man, that's all you have to apply, man.
And wait all that.
Well, I'm not sure still. That's time to just apply and then we ring your phone, is it?
Alright, father.
Yeah, man, respect.
So far in them, man. Hello? Good afternoon. Yes, this is Andrew. Yes? Get to work? Yeah? Yeah, any question I want to ask? Yeah, I have my Wi-Fi working on it fast and everything. Yeah, I can work from home, for sure. If that come to your case, I'm up here. Shit. I have to get a laptop. DEJANOYE. I have to credit a laptop from Ports now. That work is still
This one's for the grind. I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different. I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken. Authentic like a 5950 and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones.
Level 17. Oh. 70. Here. You go beat it, you know. Judge good. DEJANOYE. Man.
Let's go to work. 'Cause gotta work on myself. 'Cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up.
I know that I can't forward. Woman, so they say still no mommy.
Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. I start to believe in myself.
Thank you for calling Intech Services. How may I help you?
So sweet again.
We are resistant. So what seems to be the issue?
Yes, Mr. Roland. Man, Can I put you on a brief hold for a second, please? Man, you move like you don't want to work, brother. 2 days now, you're late, you know that. Look in Miss Rose and see you. Brother.
Things are going, bro. You see me?
Why you have to know where you are, brother?
Watch out if anything tomorrow, you can't clock into me. Give you my code and everything, bro. Yes, Mr. Graham.
I am your worst nightmare.
Sir, I told you like 15 times now, sir. I can't get you your package today, sir.
You've been dealing with my
But I
situation
can
for 2 days now.
reimburse you with a gift card worth like 20 pounds.
And I've been on the phone for 3 hours trying to reach her.
Sir,
And every time I call back,
my manager is not on the floor right now, sir. The manager is on a 1-hour break right
And
now,
none of
sir.
you know what the fuck I'm talking about. What kind of a goddamn situation is
Sir,
this?
I can't be on the calls for very long, okay? We have a time limit for the calls. So you're gonna have to call us back tomorrow or something, sir, because this call is gone way over its time limit, sir. I'm sorry that I couldn't help you with your situation.
So I would ask you why.
Sir, I'm not taking a piss with you, sir.
I need to be transferred to Michelle. If there's no Michelle, then you people are going to get sued. Not to mention, I might go ballistic and come over there with a machine gun.
Brother!
I don't have one, but I'll...
Brother! Stop talking to me now! Yo, brother, I'm not there saying no you would.
You didn't show up for
Yo,
your...
brother, yo, dog! Yo, dog! Yo, man, come on, yo, brother. I can't bother that you, brother. Little fine boy, they, yo, you know them man, they get on my nerves, pan calling, you know, dog. Yo, not even need them people, you know, you would. I find something better, look, I want to know this, you know, dog. KFC chicken smell nice still, you know, man.
You depend, bro.
There, bro.
But you may look fine at that. Some KC, me and Matson, I don't know where you pray.
There, man. KFC.
Yeah, I never watch that damn. I can buy 2 box food for you 2 hours, you see me?
Free?
Yeah, man. I'm here, bro. Forward now, man. I'm going like in a family, bro.
Alright, bro. Buy your back of food, yeah. Buy your back. Hello? Yeah, him this. I tell the lady, so me go sort it out and thing, man. Alright, how much me owe overall? Just tell me how much. 70,000. Oh, that? No, man. A 50,000 you did the last week, and now a 70, like every time I pay you, know, it go up. How I go on? Late fee.
John won't start. And you tell me say me late upon that one here too. I'm gonna get money for pay them and all, sir. Tell me. Alright, may I see what I can do. So, yo, I work and it come like me now work.
It's a growing problem across the country. Scammers targeting unsuspecting victims, including seniors, by trying to steal money from them. The scammer from Jamaica chose the wrong target to try to steal.
Sometimes I feel like I chop me for chop, you know. I don't want to make an example what I mean.
The former director of the FBI and the CIA
We find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick. No path carved out for us now. The brush is thick. All I'm asking now, don't give up on love. Don't give up. Don't give up on love. I know that you're tired, my love, but please don't.
Andrew, how you doing?
I'm here just waiting on our food.
Oh, you're waiting on food? Okay.
Yeah.
You know, recently I noticed a lot of things, you know, with you at work. First question, where's the ID?
Every day I ask about ID.
Yes, because it's important.
They in a locker.
But it's supposed to be on you. You have to be. It has to be visual. Now I got a complaint from a customer about your behavior on a call. You don't really like that.
No,
You're
sir,
being rude.
The customer they disrespectful to me still.
But remember, the customers come first.
But me I try give the customer everything what I could do. Me I build rapport with them. Me I like ask them where they need from me. And them keep on a customer say yo, them I take a piece with them man.
But you have to remain professional. You can't be rude to the customer at any time. By right, I'm supposed to terminate you, you know. But I'm trying to see what the problem is.
I just some little, you know, utility problem and some little loan problem and only for something in my brain and you know, I try to come and work on time and things.
Come on, Andre, you have to do better than this. What am I gonna tell the clients when they hear a call like that? You have to pull up your socks. So later, if I get more time, we need to actually have a professional, official time to talk about that call because I have to report about it.
A joke thing this. I'll meet now keep. One time I answer customer way, meet really a keep. Yo, but I left the work here, you know, man. And tomorrow work this for me, you know. Every bill when I pay, as I get my paycheck, I don't bill the car. And 5 grand if I have my paycheck. And that's our bus fee. Sometimes not even have lunch to come out.
Alright, Andrew, listen. I understand life can take a toll, but to take out the frustration out on the customers is not acceptable. But what I will do, as I said, we still need that meeting. We're gonna make up some form of explanation and hope they still keep you.
I'm not even live up in the next 2 months to them, other pay or go and bag up bills and everything.
Just be willing. Be willing to get the work done and try your best not to do this again.
Yes.
You hear me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember, by right I should be terming you, so this is a favor.
Respect you.
Just calm down, eat your lunch. Later, alright?
Alright.
Yo, striker.
Yo, what
Long
going?
time I didn't see you, bro.
There, man, you
From
know.
your left you walk, bro.
Say you go, man.
From your left you walk, you know, man.
Yeah, man, I say you go. Me there still.
Are you business?
Yeah, man, I want which one is it?
Put me on one of them work then, bro. You have them money, bro.
No, say farming me, I do, bro.
Farming.
Yeah, man.
Bro, you're no farmer, bro.
Plant the leads, let the crops grow.
No seeds if you say you plant.
Ah, man, I not plant no seed. Me, I'm growing as a still, you know. Glad to see you, bro.
I make a tape.
Yeah, man, I'm growing as a is it.
You give me a food now, bro. Now the big garden, you move, so. So you know what, bro? Just give me a number, because I want to link up with you, man. You see it?
I say nothing for you know.
Yeah, bro. Just make it. Yeah, man.
Little bit, bro.
One striker, you know.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Bro, I have someone more to tell you still, you know, bro.
What that?
Take a time off from the work, you know, bro. You see it? John was star. Want me see what man rap brings, you know. The money they would have done good, you know. Sean mo. Some of the cars strike still. Feeling strike, you know. Link. Yo, I did, dog. What you know? Remember what you man, I see you in a beast, man. Yeah, you see me? And more get a, you know, the little plant leads thing that we do talk about. Yeah, bro. More you know for plant some leads too, bro. You see? Yeah, man. Email. Yeah, man. Can text you my email, man. Bro. What? And then when really have a text me and email me. My laptop. Like I hate this, you know. Name. Which name there, sir? Address. Social security number. The money a big thief, you know? Yo. Yo. Yo, Striker. Bro, you have to go show me how to use them thing, you know? Yeah, man. Calling from the public clearance. Shit. Let that thing say, you know? Alright. Hello. Good afternoon. I'm calling from the public clearance. Yo. Alright. Hello, good afternoon. This is the Super Lottery, and you're a proud winner of $50 million. Nobody not gonna believe some $50 million. Bro, Choppy, bro. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mr. Johnson. This year artist them a sing about a faith dog, a strong mind.
Them a block me, you know. A 3 times I go for a week.
4
They reach my limit.
to collect money.
Yes.
So you know the friend we can like do things for me too.
I mean, I know. You can't scale it.
Kelly. But I don't want Kelly do nothing for me, man. You know no more friend.
I don't know because I don't want them block me.
No, like my rate is still in a tree, you know. It was like, see the tower. That's supposed to be 20, but you know. Go and hold off on them, man. Don't know every day.
So much?
Yeah, man, less than 5 minutes, though. Believe.
I'll link up one of my friends to leave back there.
Come on, from now, man. Yo. Come on, from now. Get more than thump you up in it. Bro, you know somebody in my house, bro. Dog, might have be things, my dog. I can't sleep in a house, brother. I'm torment, dog. I can't sleep in a house, dog. Might have like a be dopey in my dream and them things, my brother. Clearance, but.
I was asleep.
Alright.
Take a fire before.
Alright.
like to take out no sign money.
You say from over there, some say still.
What?
I mean, I say, you can't want to pass and see that girl.
And the same thing I hear about what's your name, Jennifer?
Me.
Jennifer, really?
Yes.
Cute still.
Jennifer done take Jennifer money and
Stop.
she never sell out. She used everything. What? That's what I do all the time. Even though Jennifer on the street, her family turned them back against her. Everything. I tell them scammer ya. If I could catch one of them myself, I tell you.
Mama, give me a can water and 2 cups, you see me?
Just one.
Cool.
It's too much. It's too much.
Yo, keep it change, yeah. And someone wanna forget chopped, you know. No more while there, man. I say, yo, but it's lucky for me, people like you know them way there. Can't just chill out with them. No bad energy as well. No, so. Which power person? Yo.
Yeah.
You not move from yourself now?
No.
I say it clear. Make me drink this. You see me, I'm all I wash off. Where they from?
Okay.
Let's go and turn wash off them crosses here, you know. Never lie, man. Some pee dog, babe. Yo! Bro, I tell me about no work, dog. Dog, bun poverty, bun slavery, youth. Rich is right, poor is wrong. You see me shut a man now, pick him up, then kick him down back. You see me broke a morning, rich a night, you know, dog. Yo, bro, this is calm about 95. Yo, dog, come off of my phone too, brother. Man, come off of my phone, dog. Come on, calm man, about 9 to 5. You tell dog. Yes. I chop the skull, they chop me, you know. Couple of little runner, them, you see me, you know. They might move some way, you see, because fumble double in that thing, you see me.
Runner.
Yeah, bro, runner pick up the money, bro. You move, so, bro.
Pick up the money from where?
From Western Union and MoneyGram, brother. Bro, you bring me in a game and you move like a slow to it.
Bro, we don't use Western Union, bro. You don't have Cash App. You don't have Venmo. You don't have Zelle. PayPal, what?
PayPal.
Wells Fargo, direct deposit. You don't use them things there, bro.
You need to tell me about them things there, bro.
So if you don't know, you don't ask, brother.
So, where will I go down here to do it?
You know, see, I always know a little nigga to carry some food can give me, you know.
Oh, see free. Yeah. I go down on the beach. Yeah. See my find what I'm gonna bring. John, I can't wait for Choppa Benz. Mama! Yeah, Mama! Oh, you think so? You didn't have to get up. I tell you. The view nicer from over there, so still, you know. Come here, make me free, you know. I tell you about that view, right? Nice though.
Yeah, view nice with you.
Since recently, I start come them place up on a regular basis, you see me? I mean, I say, yo, life nice to live here now, you see me? When I time them are some the roughest life, you see me? No, I modest life, you see me? I'm not lie. I see you up there, so. I mean, I say, yo, when I time them want to drop your modest life, I make a good life with you know them way there. Till the badness come down, I have to get in. See, pray.
What's up, me like? Are you full of confidence?
You mean grab your throat and look in your eye. Feel a joke, blow out all your back too.
Then that's how you look, man.
You know what go and make you screw up your face, sir. Show a little grip where you have at squeeze, you hear that?
Where are you?
See, yeah, smile now, though. More, yeah, man, you want to smile, man. Yeah, what you want to eat, by the way, cause you can't make them view you go away. And you have something to eat, you see it.
You sure you can afford what me want to eat?
Oh man, I try to see my phone crack up, yeah. Don't bother with that.
I like how you're full of tough chat still.
And a tough chat, facts.
Well, put your money where your mouth there.
Yeah, I go see you pretty man. Look for me. No cap, yeah.
You buy the food, sir?
What you just say? Better buy everything on the menu, yeah.
Why you full of chat here?
Yo, Mama, bring your menu there. Bring your menu. Yeah, man, you got a little girl here, yo.
So what kind of work you do?
I'm a farmer, you know.
Where you plant?
Everything where you can plant. All if you could have plant, money no plant.
Why you full of jokes? But I love to see that farm.
So farming now you too. Believe you plant some seeds. So let's say appetizer. Oh yeah, when you take the appetizer?
Well, I might just try regular cream of pumpkin soup.
If you already a spring roll, then I'm going to rock with you, know.
Oh, you're a spring roll type of guy?
Yeah, but I don't know why I say spring roll like something little like spring roll, you know, what you are doing. Super,
I wouldn't know till I know.
You my sinner, don't fold like it's Vanity Fair. Every time that I be down, then I be running to you. It's ironic that I'm scared, but I'm calling you boo. Please don't ghost me, love me, hug me, hold me, see me, grow me, I see, hope me.
Matter of fact, if I bring you up on different things, you know. Where you don't want to go? You don't want to go IB Russ. I saw the hotel name. Come on, man. You know, I get to you already. These are not what they on the menu from with you. You don't know a thing. Just all the one, you see me? Buy you the whole restaurant. Like. But first, I for just go deal with a couple of my work, because you don't know the farming. Yo, me ever tell us iron fork mash up back? You wouldn't know about iron fork and mash up back stick, because you don't do farming, you know. By the way, I'm not even remember what you do, but don't know. Me never deal with some things, man. Just know some I surprise you one at a time. Farmer never broke nor fracture, babes. But right now, I go up on the work still, you know, so I'm linking later, yeah.
I have a nice, like a little spot in my community. We can go there and chill.
We have boat down here.
Yeah, we have boat in here, you know, people them little fishing and them little cruising, and between me and you know, people go up on them boat there.
People go up on them boat there?
Yeah.
With passport?
You know, say I don't know passport, me talk.
But me mean just take a cruise then. I need passport, have money.
Don't worry about that, man.
When I did them, man, I just think about a cruise.
Yeah.
Not even for call a girl, you know, man. Yo, Kelly. Watch on Kelly, I have a food I want to send off to you tonight, you see me? And you have to pick it up for me tomorrow. But watch out. No, you know me anything already. Me always had, you see me, at it. Just chill out for me one at a time and no double. Just collect your money for me and come give me. Simple man. You don't have to tell me say cousin call and this and that. You see me? No double. Please. Kelly, I put a money me up here, Kelly. Just collect your food, give me, and I give you some of the food. Then you do what you want to do. That is it, Kelly. Please and thank you. No double. No screw ups, please. Alright, Kelly. You know, dog. Just hopeless, you know, dog.
Hello, Mr. Crawford. Yeah, I see that you have finally made the deposit. The ACH transfer that you did yesterday. Yes, awesome. So now that you have made a deposit of $35,000, what will now happen is you'll be approved, right, for a credit loan of $500,000, and you can use it for home construction and such, and buy a new car as you stated. Yes, awesome. So I will call you, and my manager will be having a talk with you tomorrow morning around 8. Okay, just to make sure everything is sorted and the contracts are signed. All right. Awesome, my friend. Have a good one.
But Mrs. Jackie, I already told you that the process is gonna take 3 to 5 business days. I don't understand what you're telling me. Don't understand what you're telling me, Mrs. Jackie. Hey, let me get a minute or two on hold while I see if I can get my manager. He's on an escalated call. So let me get a minute or two. Is that okay, Jackie? Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you.
Yo, I'll go on.
Brother, that woman, you know, move right, you know. Yo, she tell me say the process takes 6 to 7 days. Me I tell her, I say, no, miss, it's a little bit quicker than that. So it takes 3 to 5 days for it to Yo, take her off.
Nah, man, you have to write Jackie name on a paper and my head.
That good, man.
Brad and chat, man.
Hello, Miss Jackie. Yes, this is the manager speaking. Yeah, my agent told me that you're kind of frustrated. Okay, alright, I'm gonna tell you something. It's just a little mishap, okay? There's no 6-day transfer fee or minutes or hours you have to wait. You don't have to wait long. Yeah, I'm gonna put you back there because he's one of my best agents. I trust him. He's gonna get you right. Yeah, he's gonna get you right there. Don't worry. But everything good, man. You see it? Just watch channel. Channel, man. Look on this good, no, man. Believe. Nobody for nothing. Man. You put back your phone in here. Client they get chopped, you know that. I'm that one talk, you know.
Thank you for patiently waiting, Miss Jackie. I'm sorry for that inconvenience of misinformation caused. I do want to tell you that the approval is approved and we're moving forward with you sending the funds here, okay? So it is a quick process. I know you're so happy to get your product, but the product is coming, okay? I need to tell you that it is coming.
Yo, hold it down. Ah, you mean?
Yo,
That's what I'm going, man.
Yo, check your phone.
Right, no, man, jumping on.
Dog, hold this, dog.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Rich, man. Man.
Yeah, how much that?
About 35.
Skull chop, you know, brother. Brother, hold this. Dog, call center if you're working on you would call center what?
Bang.
You talk about my father, man. Even more can't stop my father, man.
Yo,
You talk about.
yo, dog, man, they got a couple more money spray. Yo, add a couple more money spray.
Right now.
You would. Man, them not hungry. Yo, man, them hold this. Hold them some change. Yo, hold them in, man. Yo, man, them, don't just go on with them, there, dog. Just stick up them, there, bro. Dog,
man.
yo, dog.
Big go, father. Right, man, right?
Well, rate how you bring me in a thing, and my father, you do the right thing, and I love how you bring me in a thing, you know, dog.
Bro, man.
Man to man, you know, dog, you do it big for me, you know, you make me hate, you know, my father.
Believe father, man. Do it. Man, them, we link, you know.
Okay.
Can I briefly have a moment, please? Police officer. One moment, please. Don't make it hard for yourself. Come right here, sir. We have reason to believe you're doing some scamming and fraudulent activities through Western Union and MoneyGram.
Scamming?
Scamming activities. We have evidence and proof, so you don't need to deny it.
I don't mean that, sir.
Mrs. Griffiths, you're looking at 15 years in prison. Mrs. Griffiths, it don't make sense to run. Come on, let's start. Don't run. All I need is some information on the person you're collecting the money for, and we can work out a deal. 1 year probation or house arrest. It's up to you. 15 years? Do you have any children?
Yes, sir. I have a baby.
They'll be out their mother for 15 years, so it's up to you. Because we have you on the camera collecting money at Western Union just a while ago. I've been following you and I didn't notice. If you can just give the people's name that's doing this, because I know it's not you. Okay, let's start.
Yo!
Police, open up!
What you want, dog? Brother!
Yeah, hands on the floor. Don't move. What is? People information.
Yes,
Andrew Wallace.
I don't know Andrew Wallace, sir.
Show me ID. Take care of them off your floor and show me ID. No. Who name Samantha Griffins? Marcia Samuels.
I'm on to them, this, sir.
Show me ID.
Yo.
Show me ID. I'm there with the police. Are you name Andrew Wallace? What do you mean you name Andrew Wallace? Are you this? Go over this. Go for the Samantha Griffins. Jason Samuels. Yo. Put your hands in the air. Turn around and put your hands in the air. Even though you're not under arrest, anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. Watch your head.
From morning Monday, you know, and now at night, and then leave give me a call, yo.
Hey boy, shut up your mouth around there, sir.
I feel like you can ramp with the chopper thing, you.
You know, you say boy, that if a cup of water you now get, I'm going to kill you today.
Never use style a chopper, yeah. Remember that.
Hey boy, you know say, water, shut him up there for me.
Why? I just not understand what really why all of this?
Why all of this? Yo, right now, you don't know. Man, they are them farm and dig up yam, you know. Yam me a dig up yam. I plow up ground. I bring out donkey. I plant, yo, man, yo. Me a plant banana, chop down tree. And them money a come antagonize me about me a scam. Farmer can't make money too. That's why I don't like police, you know.
Just calm down, man. Maybe somebody will try to frame you. Cause them do them thing there all the time, you know. You sure you don't have no family, no friend when I like you, or I do something like that?
Good hear that too, you know. They are some mates it and me and say, yo, some boy up there, some bad man and want to see me dead, you know. I fear for my life upstairs, you know. Police boy them good here want run in for me and kick him and do it for nothing. See a what? Bad mind. People say man a plant crap and a rape. And a bad mind that. Ain't no man could have bad mind for plant yam, you know. True, you know. I'm afraid, you're not even a friend, you know. Yo, you know that. Me I like it hot. Mama, you can go for some water for me?
Sure.
Go for some water. Hello, good afternoon. Speaking to Agent Carlton. Yeah. Don't worry, we're tracking your package right now as we speak. It's gonna reach to you like in five like hours or so. Have a nice day. How gonna be it?
Agent Carlton.
Who? Yo, be things are going on with you, man. Boy, Agent Carlton, where you get that from?
So who that?
Who you that?
Who you that talk to, yeah.
No, so I'm a farmer bridging them.
And then farmer bridging is sure. I'm just asking, do I keep secret now?
So, I can't have a friend.
I never say you can't have a friend, I'm just asking you a question.
Be stressed, you don't know, man. It's not a be stressed on team. Last week, Monday, can't give it to her for one. That if you do all long, massage your man, that if you do. Jaja.
Just relax, man. I'm going to enjoy it now. No worries.
So, yeah.
What you mean when me do is a liar?
Yo, pull this off for me. A kinky or something? Yo, see this? What you do? See this in a song?
But I know why you take me for now. Cause you feel like some have some like a peanut brain.
Yo, Margaret, take this off for me now. Yo, come now, man. Yo, this is hot in man. How you do this tight?
Officer Blake? Yes, this is Corporal Brown.
What?
Yes. Yeah, I have a person of interest.
Yeah, police.
And I need you to check it out at my house. Okay, next 15 minutes? Alright.
Yeah, the police. So not just in this none at all then. After man buy up so much things here, you not even tell me you what. Big waste girl! Take this off for me now, man!
You done talk?
Take this off for me now! Now you idiot bump, yo, idiot girl, take off this off for my hand. Idiot girl.
Boy, you're a farmer.
This one, though. Me dirty girl, man. Idiot police girl. Where's the suspect?
Yo.
I want you.
What you know?
Where you also so?
You can't help me out to that thing, father.
What kind of thing? No man, come off my boat man, let me see what go on man.
Come
Where
on,
you say?
what you know? Can't move from us so quick now, boss.
So I can't do nothing. Huh? Where you also so? Where you look for?
Yo.
Somebody run you down?
Yo, I just want some help. You see me?
So, what you can do for yourself?
You can do for myself.
Yeah?
Yeah, sir. Because I'm more from us.
Show me something now. No man, you have to do something. No man, you have to do better than that man. Like I fight door man, you have to do better than that man.
5 beats you want to start?
No man, you have to do better than this man. You like see somebody you run from a trouble you want to come get me. Yo, hear me I say, go under this, go under this. Go under this. Go under this. Watch your step. Go under this. Look if you can hold up on that. Alright, you're good there, son. 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 Hold on, hold on, hold on. Don't move in you. Yeah, man, you're good this one, man. You're good this one. You're good this one.
JC, if Officer Blake here. Always you see me, I come lock the door. Walk over here, sir.
What you mean you walk? Me no see my boat. Me no can't lock my door.
I chat up police, man.
What
a person of interest just run past us. You don't see nobody run past us.
Officer, we no see nobody. Officer, we not look
so
for nobody.
Officer,
we not look for nobody.
Pull up your pants. I chat in here the police, boy.
Officer, we not have nothing for you, you know. You say this a running.
Don't move, you know. Don't move. The one can't see you. Turn around. Put your hand in on this, sir.
Officer, run up in a place and a search place. You even have paper to search place. Yeah, search place.
Don't move, no boy. Don't move. I can not take police in here. That's all I do all the time. Instinct I tell me say something wrong, you know, like a lie to me, you know.
Officer, I done show up here already.
Don't talk to all you, you know.
Officer, I don't like police, you know, dog. Tear ball, man, shut me. Hackle, man, and look much of the people there. Yo, such man gone, you know. Yo, me I say you. Like I get yourself in some serious trouble, you know, my son. You know, see the closest place when you say a Cuba door. And if you want me to go further than that, more money in a chopper, so you have to make me know what you do. The man them done dig up the place already.
Yo, what you know?
Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go?
You wish. Do it, no man.
Brown, I understand everything we say a while ago. But there's a question more of you ask. Now that youth are the same youth where you build this morning. You know I don't even answer that. We are going down to the station. Need for question you.
But
listen, don't even go there. Come on. We don't have time to waste.
Scammers targeting unsuspecting victims, including seniors, by trying to steal money from them.
But a scammer from Jamaica chose the wrong target.